Anyone watching the crypto markets knows they are notoriously volatile. Traders spend hours analyzing erratic price action, trying to time entries, and absorbing heavy losses. That friction is why people look for automated platforms, systems designed to take chaotic data and flatten out the volatility into a predictable daily return. But when you actually find one of these automated systems, you immediately hit a decision point. Do you park your money, walk away, and let the algorithm do the work? Or do you treat the platform like a business and invest your time into recruiting a downline? This quadrant chart plots effort against potential return. We have to weigh the trade-offs of the multi-level crypto space. Earning passively requires deploying capital and waiting. Earning actively requires zero waiting, but demands intense, sustained effort to manage a network. Choosing where you land on this chart depends on whether you have more liquid capital to deploy or more time to manage a community. That brings us to a platform simply called aicryptotrading. The system is built around a hybrid approach. An artificial intelligence algorithm identifies market patterns in real time, while human professionals oversee the risk management and execute the strategy. The core financial mechanism here is consistent daily yield. The platform operates on a compounding model, engineered to deliver between 4% and 8% in returns every single day. Before we break down the exact math behind those percentages, open the description below this video and click the registration link. Setting up an account now will let you follow along with the specific numbers we're about to cover. While you're doing that, please hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video. It helps support these deep dive financial frameworks. To evaluate how to use this platform, we have to look at its two distinct paths. We are going to look at the individual compounding strategy first, and then compare it to the team-building network strategy. We start with the passive approach. The entry barrier here is low. You can activate the individual investment strategy with a minimum deposit of $10. Once funded, the mechanics are fully automated. Trading bots operate during two specific windows, morning from 10 to 12 and evening from 6 to 11. This is when the system aims to lock in that 4% daily profit. The math works through auto-compounding. Instead of sitting idle, the profit you make today is automatically rolled directly into your principal balance for tomorrow's trades. Your capital base grows slightly larger every 24 hours. This chart tracks the exact trajectory of a $100 investment over a 30-day compounding cycle. Assuming a 4% daily return, the curve steepens as the month progresses. By day 10, your initial $100 has grown to $148.02. At day 20, the compounding effect pushes your total balance to $219.11. By day 30, that balance hits $324.34. Your capital has more than tripled in 30 days without requiring you to execute a single trade yourself. The platform allows you to withdraw your principal and profits 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. However, there is a 10% withdrawal fee. This cost structure encourages users to leave their capital in the system for longer periods rather than cashing out frequently. This passive path is low effort, but it requires the discipline to leave the funds untouched. Pulling money out early resets your capital base and interrupts the compounding curve. Quick reminder before we switch gears. To utilize the auto-compounding engine we analyzed, use the official registration link in the description to secure your spot. And if you're finding this compensation breakdown valuable, hit the like button and share this blueprint with your network. Now we pivot to the active path. If you want to accelerate wealth on this platform, holding funds passively is only the first step. The second path involves transitioning into active marketing to build a downline. The immediate incentive for this is liquid capital. The moment you bring in a direct referral and they invest, the platform triggers an 11% lifetime referral reward credited to you instantly. This flowchart maps out the daily team income structure, which pays you based on the ongoing performance of your entire downline across 7 levels. Level 1, your direct recruits, provides a 5% daily income. Level 2 provides 3%, and Level 3 pays 2%. Levels 4 through 7 each provide a 1% daily income based on the volume at those depths. Moving into these 7 tiers changes your role from an isolated trader to a network manager. It requires consistent engagement and relationship management with your recruits to keep the volume active. Beyond the daily percentages, the platform introduces a distinct payout called the fixed weekly team salary. This operates completely independently from the compounding bot. The entry requirement for this salary is specific. You must maintain at least 5 direct active members, and both you and your direct members must carry at least a $20 trade balance. This comparison matrix shows how your fixed Sunday payout scales as your total active team size grows. 5 active members yields a $2.22 weekly baseline. As your network expands, the salary increases, reaching $33.33 every single week for a 200-member team. There is a maintenance clause to secure this check. To receive the Sunday payout, your team is required to complete a mandatory 4 trades per week. This milestone chart maps out the final compensation layer, one-time cash rewards triggered by hitting specific organizational volume targets. A 100-person team triggers a $40 reward. As your numbers grow, the scale increases, culminating in a one-time bonus of $3,200 or more for an 800-person organization. Reaching these top tiers moves the platform beyond a simple trading bot and into a full organizational growth campaign. Ultimately, AI crypto trading offers a highly accessible system. A low barrier to entry and 24/7 liquidity means almost anyone can participate. But how you participate determines your outcome. This scorecard maps your steps. For the passive plan, deposit funds, let the bot work, and compound your 4% daily return for 30 days. For the active plan, secure 5 active referrals to unlock 11% bonuses and your fixed weekly salary. Decide which strategy fits your resources right now. Then, open the description below this video and click the AI Crypto Trading registration link to set up your account and begin your plan. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so you never miss out on our next structural financial breakdown. The outcome in this ecosystem depends on the engine you choose to run, passive or active, based on the resources you have available.